Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2020 Toyota Corolla. The Corolla is still a great option for those who want dependability, comfort, and value. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, power windows, rear window defroster, electronic stability control, security system, trip computer, panic alarm, brake assist, tachometer, remote keyless entry, driver vanity mirror, front reading lamps, tilt steering wheel, front bucket seats, passenger vanity mirror, speed control. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.